She came through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping. Oh my god, what just happened? Oh my god. Did someone just gift like 1,000 subs? Who just gifted all their subs? Thank you so much. Wait, who just gifted all their subs though? Holy crap, dude. Wiggy. Whoa. Wait, Wiggy? Did you gift? How many subs did you gift? Thank you for the 20 gifted subs, Wiggy. Dude, what the heck? That's crazy. Thank you, Wiggy. Oh! He's like, I want more. Is he sucking his fingers?
How come the moms don't feed him?
Mom didn't want to take care of her, so we had to step in and actually raise her. So we are essentially mom. Yeah, so she's nurtured and now in the truth, but she obviously isn't nurtured, so it's the only thing we have to step in and
What is he doing? He's just hanging out. They look like skunks to me. Here, let me tell you guys, they are Columbus monkeys. Whoever said that, you're correct. I know the monkeys around the corner. They respond to me when I call them by their name, or at least last time they did, so I'm gonna try doing it again. Hello! You guys are so cute. Hi! Dude, I've gotten thrown poop at by a monkey when I was little at a zoo. I'm not joking. Like, actually, one of the monkeys threw its shit at me and I was like 5. I'm not joking. Wiggy, you are amazing. Thank you so much. So I had like a bunch of like children next to me, so I didn't want to freak out too much. Look at him just